For my conversation with Dr. David Prentice, President and founding board member of the Science Alliance for Life and Technology, and an internationally recognized expert on stem cell research, biotechnology, and bioethics, with nearly 50 years of experience as a scientific researcher, professor, academic leader, and policy advisor, here are 5 key takeaways from our conversation on biomedical research. 1. Just because we can make embryos in a lab doesn't mean we should, nor does it make them any less human. Dr. Prentice explains that researchers can now use stem cells, including cells derived from skin or hair follicles, to create human embryos in laboratories. These embryos develop, organize, and even form beating hearts, just like naturally conceived embryos, raising profound ethical questions whether scientific capability alone justifies creating human life this way. 2. Modern biotechnology is moving from healing disease toward engineering human life. Technologies like germline gene editing, also known as heritable gene editing, 3-parent embryos, lab-made embryos, and embryo selection are shifting medicine away from therapy and toward manufacturing, modifying, commodifying, and optimizing future children. Dr. Prentice warns that this changes not only science, but our understanding of human dignity itself. 3. There are ethical alternatives to destructive embryo and fetal tissue research. Contrary to decades of public messaging, Dr. Prentice argues that embryonic stem cells and aborted fetal tissue have produced little to no successful therapies, while ethically sourced adult stem cells and induced pluripotent stem cells have already helped millions of patients worldwide. Scientific progress does not require the destruction of human life. 4. Designer babies and heritable gene editing could permanently alter future generations. Gene editing in embryos differs from treating disease in born patients. Dr. Prentice warns that germline or heritable gene editing introduces permanent genetic changes that can be passed down indefinitely with unpredictable consequences for future generations and potentially for the human genome itself. 5. The deeper issue is not just scientific capability, but how society defines human worth. From prenatal screening and modern eugenics to embryo selection and better baby marketing made by IVF companies, our conversation repeatedly returned to one central concern. When society begins selecting, designing, or eliminating human beings based on desired traits, we risk making quality of life judgments that redefine which humans are considered valuable or acceptable. Because truth matters and human dignity isn't optional. This is bioethics, babe.